Hello again, EGYPTOMANIACS. On today's show, we are going to be making Osiris Mummy seed bombs. So for this activity, you're going to need some mud, probably about half a carrier bag's worth. And the mud where I live down in Hastings is quite clayey, so it sticks together quite well. You want damp clay mud that you can form into the shape of the god Osiris. And we're going to mix seeds into that, and then we're going to either plant it in our gardens or bury it on a bit of wasteland somewhere. Osiris was the lord of the underworld and was very important to ancient Egyptian people for this reason, because they were so fascinated with the afterlife and what happened to them when they died. The Egyptian name for Osiris is Wunnefer or Unnefer. His name contains the triliteral hieroglyph Nefer, which is represented by a trachea and heart, and this sign means beautiful or good, and Osiris was known as the Beautiful One. He is most often depicted with green skin. He came to represent fertility and abundance. The story of his death and resurrection is one of the most important myths in ancient Egyptian culture and was celebrated and reenacted once a year at the Mysteries of Osiris, the biggest festival in the ancient Egyptian world. Many objects and artefacts relating to the mysteries of Osiris were discovered in two sunken cities off the coast of Egypt. The underwater archaeological surveys at Thonis, Heraklion and Canopus produced many amazing artefacts that the world had never seen before. One of the ritual offerings that were part of the mysteries of Osiris are these little mud mummies. They were filled with seeds and represent the regenerative powers of Osiris. Through his death and decay, new life emerges, and this new life and abundance provides plenty for all. So I have my mud here in this bag. I collected this today during my sanctioned by the Bureau daily exercise session in the countryside. And I don't have a garden, so I collected this nice bit of clay dirt from the country park. So, I've got a piece of tin foil here I'm going to put this on. Have a look. And then what we want to do is make a nice Osiris head shape, first of all. I think you'll agree this is a lovely Osiris mummy shape. Give him some eyes there, and also I think I'll give him a smile. And I think he should have a nose so he can smell the flowers. There we go. Now I might do some little crosses on his beard, just to make it look a bit more authentic. So now I'm going to take my seeds. Here are some seeds that my dad gave me to plant or to chuck around Hastings and St Leonard's. I know a lot of these seeds are flowers that birds and butterflies and bees really like, so they're really nice flowers for pollinators. So I'm going to take my seeds and I'm going to sprinkle them all over my Osiris Mummy and press the seeds into it, okay? Then I'm going to wrap this up. All hail Osiris, all hail Osiris. And then tomorrow when I go out, I'm going to plant my little Osiris Mummy in the ground. And please do send in your videos and photographs of you doing these activities, because I absolutely love seeing them and I would be delighted to include them in the next video. So see you next time. Bye.